Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we will show you the most expensive materials in the world. So, let's jump right into it. Number 10. Lysergic acid ethylamide, or LSD, also known as acid. This hallucinogenic drug is valued from $2,500 to $3,000 per gram. LSD is typically either swallowed or held under the tongue. A single dose of LSD may be between 40 and 500 micrograms, an amount roughly equal to 1/10 the mass of a grain of sand. Threshold effects can be felt with as little as 25 micrograms of LSD. While it does not appear to be addictive, tolerance with use of increasing doses may occur. Distressing flashbacks, a condition called hallucinogen persisting perception disorder, may occur despite no further use. So, if you have some spare cash, you could buy around 160 books with the same amount of money and keep your brain healthy instead of killing it. Number 9. Plutonium. Its value is estimated to be $4,000 per gram. What are its uses? Well, it makes things nuclear. Plutonium is a radioactive chemical element, sometimes described in media reports as the most toxic substance known to man, although there is general agreement among experts in the field that this is incorrect. There are two kinds of plutonium that can be used for either military purposes or nuclear reactors. NASA has used it as a source of energy on space missions, including Mars Curiosity rover and the New Horizons spacecraft. But people prefer to use it for bombs and stuff. Number 8. Painite. $9,000 per gram. Painite is a very rare borate mineral. It was first found in Myanmar by British mineralogist and gem dealer Arthur Payne, who misidentified it as sapphire until it was discovered as a new gemstone in the 1950s. The mineral also contains trace amounts of chromium and vanadium, which are responsible for painite's typically orange-red to brownish-red color. The crystals are naturally hexagonal in shape, and, until late 2004, only two had been cut into faceted gemstones. Number 7. Red beryl. The red gem is valued to be $10,000 per gram. What is it used for? Well, rich people use it to show off and stuff. Number 6. Tritium. $30,000 per gram. Tritium is a radioactive form of hydrogen. Its trace amounts are formed by the interaction of the atmosphere with cosmic rays. The radioactive decay of small amounts of tritium allows phosphors to glow, which is why it is used for making self-powered lighting devices known as beta lights. Tritium is used in self-illuminating exit signs found in theaters, schools, and office buildings. There are more than 2 million tritium exit signs in the United States. Number 5. Diamond. $50,000 per gram. A diamond is one of the best known and most sought-after gemstones. Diamonds have been used as decorative items since ancient times. No other jewelry item says love more powerfully than a diamond engagement ring. Rare, precious, and indestructible, these qualities earn the diamond its status as a symbol of enduring love, romance, and commitment. It was said that Cupid's arrows were tipped with diamonds. The Greeks believed that the fire in a diamond reflected the constant flame of love. Diamonds are not as rare as other gems, and you might wonder why they are so expensive. Because diamonds are a girl's best friend, so we just have to deal with it. Number 4. Californium. $27 million per gram. Californium is a radioactive chemical element. It can be used to help start up nuclear reactors, and it is employed as a source of neutrons when studying materials using neutron diffraction and neutron spectroscopy. Californium can also be used in nuclear synthesis of higher mass elements. Users of californium must take into account radiological concerns in the element's ability to disrupt the formation of red blood cells by bioaccumulating in skeletal tissue. Number 3. Buckminster fullerene. $150 million per gram. Buckminster fullerene contains 60 carbon atoms with nitrogen atoms housed in them. The Oxford University has been working on this for more than 12 years. The material can be used for building a small and portable atomic clock, which would be the world's most accurate form of timekeeping. At present, atomic clocks are room-sized. This new nanomaterial can shrink down the atomic clock to microchip size and thus could be integrated in mobile phones. It can also make GPS navigation accurate to 1 mm in self-driving cars. Number 2. Antimatter. $62.5 trillion per gram. Just to be clear, that's a 62.5 followed by 11 zeros. 3 times higher than the whole debt of the United States and almost 1/3 of the global debt. Antimatter is a material composed of antiparticles, having the same mass as particles of ordinary matter but opposite charges. Making 1 gram of antimatter would require 25 million billion kilowatt-hours of energy. When antimatter particles interact with matter particles, they annihilate each other and produce massive amounts of energy. This could be used as a fuel for interplanetary or interstellar travel. Number 1. Valued to be priceless, the first place for the most expensive thing in the world goes for the person watching this video. That's right. Our viewers are the most valuable thing ever. We would like to thank you for your patience and hope to see you in the next video.